Hello, friends and followers. Well, guess what this is? This is a speaker from 1944-43. This is called, I think, an LS7 for the BC654A and SCR254 and other World War II radios. Anyway, I think I paid like 120 bucks for this damn thing on eBay, because that's what the eBay sellers make you pay for these things. This one was in the USA and Washington State. Anyway, so I thought, well, for that kind of money, this thing should work, but the guy didn't really guarantee it to work. And he said the speaker cone looked fine, which it does. I didn't take it apart, but it doesn't look like it's waterlogged or damaged. I didn't really take it apart. There's something in there. It looks kind of funny. Anyway, I found this transformer here there was a transformer inside here that was potted with tar. This whole little box had tar up to the top here, and so I was able to remove the lid and heat this box on the stove, and that made the tar become molten, and then I could pour the tar out and remove the old transformer. So the 4,000 to 3.2 ohm transformer was shot. I did pick up a Stancor transformer, another one. This was like a $65 transformer, so I'm probably out $130, $120 plus I don't know, $65. It's about $190 for a speaker. And the guy did refund me $30, luckily, because I said the speaker was kind of shot. So, yeah, I guess 90, 80, 70. This is a $160 speaker to get an authentic speaker working on this radio. It does need some paint and all that. I don't think I'm going to paint it yet. I just want to get it working. So now this transformer Stancor is going in. I'm looking for the Stancor box. I already threw it in the trash. Anyway, here's the Stancor box that came in. This brand new transformer. I've bought two of these. I have another one for the conversion box I made for the speaker, because I didn't think I was going to find this original speaker, but I did finally. And it had a blown out transformer, so this little Stancor did fit in here directly enough. So I'm just going to put this lid back on here and screw this back on to the speaker. I'll solder on the two wires there, which go to the speaker. I don't know what these wires are called, whizzer wires or something, I don't know, but get those flexible wires on here and give this thing a test and see if we have any speaker. I was getting a tiny bit of audio through this thing, but I couldn't even get any ohmage on the meter. On the ohm meter, it said the primary was open. So this was the primary, this was open. So anyway, I wasn't even going to go there. I just took that apart, took the old speaker, or the old transformer away, and now have this little transformer in here. I'm not going to put tar in there. I'm not going to glue it. I'm just going to put this top back on and call it good. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see how this turns out. Have a great day.